In this video, I want to show you how to resolve unknown spatial reference issue in ArcGIS. For example, sometimes when you try to bring in a data, you see a kind of notification like this, unknown spatial reference. This usually happens when the spatial reference of the data you are trying to bring in is not defined or is unknown. So I want to show you how to resolve it in ArcGIS. So let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, let me try to bring in a data and demonstrate it to you how it looks like and how to solve it. Click on this option called Add Data. So let me navigate to this data. For example, let me bring this cross river boundary. Select it and click on Add. You can see the notification, unknown spatial reference. The following data source you added are missing spatial reference information. This data can be drawn in ArcMap but cannot be projected. So click on OK to add it anyway. When I click on OK, it has been added. So the spatial reference of this very data is unknown, and for us to work with it, we have to define it. And to solve it, this is how to go about it. Come to Arc Toolbox, then come to Data Management Tools. Here is it. Click to expand it. Then come to Projection and Transformation. Click to expand it. When you expand it, come to Define Projection. Double click to open it. When it opens, this first option inputs dataset or feature class, that is the dataset you want to define. So you click on the drop down and select the layer you want to define its reference system. Yes, then you can see here coordinate system unknown. So you will click on this icon to select the suitable coordinate reference system. So click here, and here I'm selecting from my favorite. You can select either from Geographic coordinate system or projected coordinate system. This depends on you. However, the process is that you select the appropriate coordinate system, select it and click on OK. You can see that it has been captured. Then click on OK. This will run and define the spatial reference system of this very data. Yes, the spatial reference system has been defined, and of course you can verify by right clicking the layer, click on Properties, then click on Source, and if you come here you can see the coordinate reference system is now defined. So this is how to resolve the issue of unknown spatial reference in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.